Hi, I'm Emily with Autobahn Collision Center. Welcome to our series where we answer common collision repair questions.
Can a body shop match the original factory color on a 10-year-old box truck? Yes, if they have the right technology and the right booth. Color matching on a large commercial vehicle is a two-part challenge. First, you have to find the exact shade, which shifts over years of sun exposure. Then you have to spray it consistently across massive vertical panels without lap marks or inconsistencies. At Autobahn Collision Center, we use advanced spectral analysis to dial in the exact color match, and then we bring your truck into our 50-foot spray booth to apply it evenly. 14 feet of vertical clearance and 16 feet of width give our technicians full access to every surface. The result looks like it just rolled off the factory floor. We're on Vose Street, just minutes from Valley Plaza Sports Center. Autobahn Collision Center, precision color on any size vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number 818-765-8777.